Welcome to Mama 7, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're giving you guys an update on Sasha's health, right?
Yeah.
Sasha's been doing awesome. Actually, she's been eating. She's been happy. Honestly, we've been keeping her busy. Yeah, she's doing awesome. Right, babe? We are feeding her 3 times a day, and also we are taking walks with her. She has the whole backyard for her, but sometimes we keep her inside because we want her to spend time with us, honestly. So yeah. What's up, baby? What do you think about Sasha? Come here.
Sasha?
You think Sasha's doing okay?
Yeah.
Do you see her happy?
Kinda.
A little bit. She's getting better, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. Well, yeah, guys, we're giving you guys an update on her health. We're not planning for her to have more puppies. It's just too much, honestly, and she went through something different this time. This time was something different, so yeah. Not gonna do it again. We wanted to have puppies from her. Not possible. Sorry about that.
The kids want puppies.
We wanted to see puppies, yeah.
They want their own puppies. I already have one.
Yeah. So I'm leaving you guys with a video of my husband washing the trucks, the cars. He usually do that, and I'm the one who take care from, all the inside, cleaning all the inside, and he takes care of the cars and the yard and etc. So thank you so much for supporting us all the time, and see you guys on the next video. I'm leaving you guys with the rest of the video with my husband washing the cars and a little bit of Sasha and how Sasha is looking, which is looking amazing. Because we got her cage, we got actually kennel here, and we got a kennel outside, and then she gets to go outside, she gets to go for walks. Sasha, what's up, Baba? What's up, baby? Babe, mira la Sasha. Bien. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? She's been gaining weight, as you guys can see. Doing awesome. Hi, Papa. What are you eating? Chocolate, I see that. You're such a good girl. Good girl, you good girl, good girl, good girl. You're a good girly girl. You're a good girly girl. You're a good girly girl. How you doing, baby? How you doing, baby? She's doing okay. She's doing awesome. She's gaining weight, as you guys can see. She's gaining good weight. We keep her food and water all the time. All the time. Okay.
No.
Hi, kiddos.
Hi.
Do you guys have like a little reunion over here? What's up? That's Mario.
We made a little
That's
red
cool.
one.
Let's go see. Whoa.